with plate number JAT, Juliet Alpha Tango 8396, Palihog, Imoyong Vehicle for convenience Oban. Thank you so much. Again, with plate number JAT 8396, Suzuki Grand. Again, thank you so much.
Okay, pitch number 2. Pitch number 2, can we have MFC Team B versus Lapu-Lapu City Heroes? MFC Team B, Makati FC Team B, U10 category. Lapu-Lapu City Heroes versus MFC Team B. Pitch 2. 2 minutes lang. Referees, please take note. 2 minutes. Referee assign pitch number 2.
Paging the owner of vehicles with plate number GAD 5871, a Toyota vehicle, palihog og move sa imong car for the convenience of thank you. Also, sa vehicle na Isuzu brand with plate number GAF 6366, please move your vehicle. Thank you so much.
Sige na, sunod na. Referee Luis, tawag ka na. Sunod na. MFC at Lapu-Lapu City Heroes. Attention coaches, tactical instructions, prayers will be done before your game. Once it's time to play, you go inside the pitch right away. Once again, coaches, tactical instructions ninyo and prayers, etc. Please do it before the game. Ganina rin na magsigig announce sa inyong next game. You're not on the pitch. Delay taong mayo. Delay taong mayo.
Requesting the owner of Toyota Hilux kanang tapat sa yellow-orange na labaran. Paliho or move sa mga vehicle, sir or ma'am. Thank you so much for the convenience of that. Requesting the owner of the vehicle with plate number GAF 6366 ang Isuzu nga car. Palihog og move sa inyong vehicle, ma'am or sir. For the convenience of them. Thank you so much.
Next game at pitch number 3, please get ready. Next game at pitch number 3, U14 boys, we have De La Salle versus Cebu United Team B. Once again, next game at pitch number 3, De La Salle versus Cebu United Team B. Next game at pitch number 2, U10 category, please get ready. NFC Team A versus City of Naga. Once again, NFC Team A versus City of Naga. Next game at pitch number 2, U10 category. Next game at pitch number 1B, U8 category. Next game at pitch 1B, U8 category. We have De La Salle versus Lapu-Lapu City Heroes. Coaches, please take note on the announcement of your games. Huh? Please be mindful. 2 or 3 times gina-announce, 4 times, and then wala pa mo sa inyo ang pitch. Okay? Once again, next game, pitch 1B, U8. We have De La Salle versus Lapu-Lapu City Heroes. Next game at pitch 1B, De La Salle versus Lapu-Lapu City Heroes. And on pitch number 2, next game, please take note and get ready, coaches. Pitch number 2, next game, NFC Team A versus City of Naga. Next game at pitch number 3, U14 boys, please get ready, coaches. De La Salle versus Cebu United Team B. Once again, De La Salle versus Cebu United Team B. Next game at pitch number 3, U14 boys.
Beijing, the owner of a Suzuki vehicle with plate number JAT or Juliet Alpha Tango 8396. Again, JAT 8396. A Suzuki vehicle, please move your car, sir. Daghang salamat. Again, abangin nyo ang tagiya sa sakyanan with plate number JAT 8396. A Suzuki car, please move your car for the convenience of all. Thank you so much.
boys, Group A. Please, take note, coaches. Top 2 teams for Group A, U14 boys. The top one, we have City of Naga, Team A. And then the top 2, we have Cebu United, Team A. Okay, those are the top 2 teams who will advance to the semifinal game. U8 category, next game, please get ready, coaches. U8, next game. De La Salle versus Lapu-Lapu City Heroes.